Inside your body, right now, something extraordinary is happening. You may be sitting still, but deep within you, trillions of tiny living units are working non-stop. They build you. They repair you. They protect you from danger. These tiny units are called cells. They are so small that you can't see them with your naked eye. Yet together, they create everything you are. To truly understand life, we must travel beyond what our eyes can see, into a hidden, microscopic world where life begins. This is a cell, the smallest unit of life. Every living organism on Earth, from the tallest tree to the largest whale, begins as a single cell. Even you started your life this way. A cell may look simple, but it is incredibly complex. It can grow, it can respond to its environment, it can reproduce, and it can even sacrifice itself to protect the body. Life in its purest form exists inside this tiny structure. Every cell is surrounded by a thin protective layer called the cell membrane. This membrane is not just a wall, it is intelligent. It carefully controls what enters the cell and what leaves it. Nutrients are allowed in, waste is pushed out, harmful substances are blocked. Without this protective barrier, the cell would lose control, and life would quickly come to an end. At the heart of the cell lies the nucleus. The nucleus is the command center of the cell. Inside it is DNA, the genetic blueprint of life. DNA contains instructions that decide your eye color, your height, and even how your body responds to disease. Every action inside the cell follows the instructions stored in the nucleus. Without it, the cell would have no direction. Scattered throughout the cell are structures called mitochondria. They are often called the powerhouse of the cell. Their job is to produce energy. Every heartbeat, every thought, every movement you make requires energy. And mitochondria supply it. If mitochondria stop working, cells lose power. And without power, life cannot continue. Tiny structures called ribosomes act like factories. They build proteins, molecules essential for growth and repair. These proteins then travel through the endoplasmic reticulum, a network of pathways inside the cell. Together, they ensure the cells stay strong, functional, and alive. This is where the building blocks of life are assembled. Once proteins are made, they move to the Golgi apparatus. Here, proteins are modified, packaged, and labeled. Then they are sent to their correct destinations, inside the cell or outside it. The Golgi apparatus works like a delivery system, ensuring everything arrives exactly where it's needed. Every system creates waste, and cells are no different. Lysosomes act as the cell's recycling centers. They break down old or damaged parts. They destroy harmful invaders. By cleaning and recycling, lysosomes help keep the cell healthy. Even at the microscopic level, balance is essential. Not all cells are the same. Red blood cells carry oxygen. Nerve cells transmit electrical signals. Muscle cells help you move. Each type of cell is specialized for a specific job. Together, they form tissues, organs, and entire systems. Your body is not controlled by one cell. It is a perfect collaboration of trillions. Cells don't last forever. To grow and heal, cells divide through a process called mitosis.
One cell becomes two identical cells. This allows wounds to heal, bones to grow, and life to continue. But when cell division goes wrong, serious problems can occur, including cancer. Balance is everything.
Right now, trillions of cells are working together inside you. You don't feel them, you don't see them. But without them, you would not exist. You are not just a body. You are a living universe made of countless microscopic lives. This is the secret life of a cell, and this is the miracle of biology.
Which part of the cell surprised you the most? Comment below. For more such videos, like, share, subscribe.